In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up the Phantom Wallet, a secure and user-friendly cryptocurrency wallet that's perfect for managing your digital assets. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. In our demonstration today, we'll be using Google Chrome, but this process works just as smoothly with other browsers, such as Firefox. Once you have your browser open, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll type in Phantom Wallet and hit Enter. If you're new to browsing for cryptocurrency tools online, a good practice is to always ensure you're accessing the official website. In this case, the one you'll want to look for is phantom.com. This will ensure that you're downloading the software from a safe and legitimate source, which is crucial in protecting your digital assets. After locating the official Phantom site, go ahead and click on the link to enter the website. You'll find that it has a clean, intuitive design, making navigation a breeze. On the home page, locate the Download button. It's usually prominently displayed to help you find it quickly. Once you click Download, you'll be prompted to select your browser type to get the appropriate extension version. So, choose the option that corresponds to your web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, or another supported browser. Next, click Add to Chrome, or the equivalent button for your specific browser. Then confirm by selecting Add Extension. This step might seem straightforward, but it's important because it signals to your browser that you trust the source and want to proceed with the installation. After successfully adding the extension, you'll notice an alert indicating that it's been installed. To make accessing the Phantom Wallet seamless, head to the upper right corner of your Chrome browser. Here, you'll see a small puzzle piece icon, which represents your extensions. Go ahead and click on it. This will produce a drop-down list of all your current extensions. Scroll through until you find Phantom Wallet. To keep it readily available, click the pin icon next to it. This action moves the wallet to your browser's toolbar, offering you quick and easy access whenever you need it. Following these steps will allow you to efficiently install and pin the Phantom Wallet to your browser, creating a streamlined experience as you manage your cryptocurrencies with ease. By now, you should have the extension up and running, ready to explore all the features this wallet has to offer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one.